We decided that the easiest way to do division is to actually go backwards in multiplication. So we are going to be dividing by x plus 1. So we're going to draw our little grid, and we're going to put x plus 1 as our width, and now we're going to calculate our length, because length times width equals area. This is our area. Well, we know that 7x to the third is always right there. That's the first thing that we always put there. Now let's remember, this has a little 1 and this has a little 1 in our head. You don't have to write it, but I will. I need to figure out something that goes right here. If I multiply this times 1, I get 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. I need 3 x's. I've got 1, so I need 2. So I went backwards trying to fill this out. Now that I've gone backwards, I can fill out this box right here. 7 times 1 is 7, and I just have an x squared. Now if you remember correctly, we had peanuts in our other one, and we said, okay, this peanut has to add to 8x squared. So what would go in the peanut to make this add to 8x squared? 1x squared. Now I have a 7x squared and a 1x squared, and now I have 8x squared. So I'm going backwards again. Something sits right here that when I multiply it by 1x, I get 1x squared. Well, 1 times 1 is 1, so I'm going to put a 1. I have an x over here, but I need 2, so I need to put another one up here, don't I? I need a 1x up there. Well, if this is 1x, then 1 times 1 is 1, and x is just 1. And I'm now ready for another peanut. Now this peanut has to add to negative 6x. This peanut has to add to negative 6x. So I would have to put a negative 7x so that when I added the two pieces together, I get negative 6x. There's my next peanut. So we're working backwards again. I have to put something right here that when you multiply by 1x, I get negative 7x. So if I put a negative 7 right there, negative 7 times 1 is negative 7, and it's got an x, so I'm done. And then I can do this box right here. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Now why am I so happy right here? I'm happy because look right there. Negative 7, negative 7. I'm very happy because I just found a factor for this polynomial.